Today we are at the hills again. We would like to show you that the Cruiser V2 single motor actually does able to climb up hills easily. I am about 90 kg plus we would be climbing up a hill that is 20 degrees and above at a stretch of maybe like 200 meters. Let's do it. Okay, so we will be starting right at the foot of the hill. I'm at gear 3, 91% battery. Let's go! You see, it goes up the hill smoothly with its sine wave controllers and enough torque from the motor. The Cruiser V2 accelerates smoothly on hills. You wouldn't have a problem reaching the top of the hill. I'm guessing this hill is at least 20 degrees and above. Not less than 20 degrees. It goes up. We are at a constant speed of 14 to 15 kilometers per hour. Remember, my battery is not 100% full. It's like 10% down from full. There we go. We still reach the top.